Hello, everybody. This is Dr. G. Rex Kruhly, and I would like to give you a explanation of the coming collective on a total body scan. You see, depth healing has evolved now into a pathway of power, and it has, real significant power. Now, what's the difference between my body scan and going to see the your local doctor or even a specialist? Well, first of all, I use quantum physics, and I'm able to talk to the field and your nervous systems and your subconscious directly. That's number one. Number two, I can do it with surgical precision. So what happens is I'm able to look at let's say, your entire cardiovascular system in a matter of seconds, all based on the questions I ask. And I will get very precise answers back. So rather than go down to a hospital and get an MRI and injected with dye so they can search for tumors and all that, I can do that in seconds to minutes. Now, the next thing is I can clear the problems. And I do it while you're sitting there live. And what do I mean by that? Well, the entire global human population, it's becoming harder and harder to conceive a male baby. Males are going extinct globally. That's not fiction, that's a fact. And there's so many reasons for it. And one of them is there's so many xenoestrogens and toxins in the water, food, air, the products that you're using at your house, everything. Now, they just happen to really hit a male fetus differently than they hit a female fetus. The sperm count is disappearing. I mean, it's just dropping. So when I do the total body scan, when I'm detoxing you, let's say there is a xenoestrogen. It has a frequency. See, everything is energy, and every energy has a signature frequency. That's how you know it's there. So let's say a multitude of different pesticides are in your cells, in your body. Heavy metals. Nowadays, because of the jab, a lot of nanotechnology. Let's say you have E. coli. E. coli has a frequency. Let's say stress is causing your blood pressure to rise. There's a frequency. Everything can be read. Just depends on the question. So when you come to the total body scan, I'm going to take you from head to toe, all of the systems that make up your body. I'm going to check them. I'm going to detox them, and I'm going to ramp them up. And the full effect of the ramp up to efficiency will be noticed within 3 days, generally 3 days after the clearing. Now, because of the capacity of depth healing, if I wanted to, it would take me maybe 5-6 hours to detox you from all of the different things that are affecting your body and robbing your body of vital energy and so forth. See, it's a huge task because I have to disassemble them all and then erase them. But what I'm going to do is go system by system find any main interference or problem or toxin or whatever, disease process, and I'm going to remove those and ramp the system up. So we fix the cause of high blood pressure, then we check the whole cardiovascular system. If there's any weakness in the heart, I will find the cause, remove the cause, and then ramp the heart back up to the full capacity. Depth healing actually does all of this. I do it, sometimes every day for people all over the world. So it's very, very valuable. It's an amazing process. Don't miss that. It's only $50. How much money does it cost for an MRI and injections, and then you wait a few days for the results? And if anything's wrong, you got to go on meds, which costs a fortune, and all the hassle and everything. I just take care of it for you right there and then. So I strongly, strongly advise you to tell all your friends, anybody that doesn't feel well. If you feel well, come anyway, because it's preventative, and I look for and remove anything that will cause trouble down line. So you don't feel anything right now, but it's growing. Once it gets to a certain level, all of a sudden it registers in your nervous system. I find it way before that. So try to understand and appreciate the enormous capacity of depth healing as a system that is, as far as I'm concerned, basically peerless. It really is. I mean, at this point in time, the way the divine is ramping me up all the time for the work that we do, which is I'm a problem solver. You have a problem, I'm the problem solver. Or like that song says, I'm your handyman. That's what depth healing is designed to do.